Why would you want to go to York University in Canada or Harvard University in the United States to learn Jamaican patois when you can learn it right here? Just subscribe to my channel where every week I do a commentary in patois. Then I give you an overview with English. Follow me with my book called Talk Jamaican, which is available on Amazon.com. And soon you will be able to chat like me. Have a wonderful day.
Hey, me say, Christmas I jump down did nice one time, you know. Me I chat before the whole stinking virus go mash up with life. Can you see from Christmas Day, everybody gonna grand market who not buy or sell, who just go down there for just lime and listen to the music and buy food. And we turn out there all night to rotted, and then the whole thinking virus come now and you hear about curfew. But you see, me did just find one place near Lariston and St. Catherine to where they do something. Well, they used to do it in the olden days, you know, but the young people then come and fast and say them not do it. But then go around to people yard at early Christmas morning and they sing Christmas carol and wake up the people. Yeah, man, have some of the people that want to wake up, but then drag them out of their house. And you see about 10 o'clock, everybody go to the community center. Who know they are cook, then bring food, then carry haminy porridge, then carry stamp and go, then carry ton can meal, then carry a can saltfish. And when you go up there, enough smoke you see, you know, because everybody are roast them breadfruit and the other one them a cook some jerk chicken pan the fire, jerk pork, and the picnic them are ramp all over the place. And guess what? They have Christmas tree, you know, and underneath it, all the picnic them have their name on it, car before then the Christmas come, then go around to the business place and get some money so they can buy Christmas present for all the picnic them in our community. And the same thing, the nicest man, me look forward to it every Christmas. And me call the man yesterday to go find out if them have it. Him say, nah, sir, through the Christmas, since the old dirty virus come and mash up everybody mood, nothing now go on. Anyway, we have health and strength, yeah. Go take your shot and see if we can get rid of this whole thinking virus. So next year things can come back to normal. In the meantime, walk good, yeah, my friend, and have a Merry Christmas. You know, see it. You know, Christmas in Jamaica used to be quite nice. I used to love Grand Market, where you go to the market and everybody was buying something, selling something. There was lots of loud music, lots of food, and everybody would just throw caution to the winds and have a good time. Then came the virus, and with the virus came the curfew. So that is not as nice anymore. But you know what I discovered in a place called Lauriston? This is in St. Catherine. They have maintained the tradition of caroling. That is where you go from house to house, sing carols, and at about 10 o'clock in the morning, everybody from the community would go to the community center, and most people would bring food. Other people would be at the center roasting breadfruits, cooking jerk pork. You would have things like ackee and saltfish, stamp and go. And everybody would have a wonderful time. Of course, Christmas is not the same without hot chocolate. And they had a Christmas tree, and the kids would all get presents because they would solicit the business places and get money to buy presents. And it was such a wonderful time. I looked forward to Christmas with my friends in Lauriston. But they told me that this year, virus, no such thing. Anyway, we have health and strength, so let's do our best to enjoy ourselves with our family and be thankful what we have. Take your vaccination. Try and maintain good health so we can get rid of this wicked virus and have Christmas and all the nice things return in 2022.
Christmas a come, me want me llama. Christmas a come, me want me llama. Christmas a come, me want me degede. Christmas a come, me want me degede. Pretty girl, me want me llama. Pretty girl. degede. No shoes for me foot, me want me llama. No shoes for me foot, me want me llama. Pretty pretty gal, me want me degede. Pretty pretty gal, me want me degede. No shirt for me back, me want me llama. No hat for me head, me want me llama. No chain on me neck, me want me llama. No shoes for me foot, me want me llama. Christmas a come, me want me llama.